This is my poster on Phragmites australis. It was a study to determine where the invasive populations have become more prevalent in Michigan. We were doing a study to see if we could find any signs of the natives still existing. I guess I got interested in this project because I was looking as an undergraduate to get a little more experience out in the field. And this presented a good mix of what I've done in lab with different lab practices and getting out and just seeing what there is in Michigan's west coast. So for the project, I just collected samples of leaf tissue of Phragmites australis along as far south as St. Joe and north up into Upper Peninsula. To determine the difference between the native and invasive, we need to do a genetic analysis, and for that I sequenced 2 different gene regions and then digested those regions to determine which was which. For my results, I found, which kind of came as a surprise to us, was that there were some Gulf Coast varieties of haplotypes, that we didn't expect to see anywhere in Michigan. Previous studies, we didn't find any results indicating that the Gulf Coast haplotype had come this far north, but we found it all the way up into the Upper Peninsula. The other thing that we found is there seems to be a gradient along the north-south axis of Michigan as far as the distribution of the invasive, a lot more common in the south, but it was making its way all the way north. But we also found native varieties up north that we did not find in the south.